know what it is, but my hair is just like not cooperating right now. Anyways, hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy. So today I have something exciting I'm going to be doing that I've been wanting to do for a really long time, and it finally arrived in the mail. So I'm going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing, and I'm going to be showing you guys what I got, and I'm going to be reviewing the products that I got for you. I'm actually a little bit annoyed with BoxyCharm because, for one, I ordered this like 3 months ago just about, and I'm barely getting like my first box. So if you guys know that like BoxyCharm, that you have to like subscribe, I guess you call it, you pay a monthly fee. Well, I paid like 2 months, and it's about to be like the 3rd month, and I've only got 1 box. So this is my box that I got from a BoxyCharm. I guess it's owned by IPSY now, so yeah, it's gonna be like an IPSY / BoxyCharm unboxing video. If you enjoy my channel, if you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment what you think, because I love you guys' feedback and I look at your guys' comments and stuff. And a lot of y'all have been really nice to me, and I really appreciate all the nice feedback and all the nice commentary that you guys have been posting on my videos. So thank you to those for being nice to me. The rest of y'all that are being kind of like trolls, then I don't know what to tell you, keep watching me. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this. This is the box I showed you. I need to open it somehow. Let me get a knife. So I'm going to be unopening this, or cutting this open. Okay, so just for reference, FYI, I'm still kind of uncomfortable in front of the camera, so I'll be stuttering, just so y'all know. And just in case anyone was wondering, there's nothing wrong with me. I'm not crazy, there's nothing wrong with me. I just get a little bit uncomfortable in front of the camera, and yeah, this is something that's new for me that I've been doing, and it's been a little bit difficult being on camera. So yeah, I be stuttering sometimes. We all have our issues, we all have our problems, so yeah. Anyways, I cut the box open. So I'm gonna open it with y'all. Let's see. I don't know what's in here, because I didn't even see like the monthly thing, but let's see. Okay. Discover yourself is what it says. Let me try to scoot back a little. Okay, so it has this paper in here. Okay, oh my gosh, really? All right, so I have this duo highlighter. This is the first thing that I got. Let's actually try this. And there's like a bag of stuff in here. Yeah, okay. We're gonna try this out because, for one, I said I was gonna try the stuff. And two, my sister got a BoxyCharm, and she actually gave me something that looked just like this, and I want to see if it's the same thing. So this is the Translucent Beauty Playa Dreams, the duo highlighter. Let's see. Yep, it's the same thing, but it's so pretty. So my sister got the same thing, and she gave it to me, and I used it like one time, and it worked so well. I had to cover the mirror because you can see the stuff in the background, and I don't want y'all to see, but it's so pretty. So the colors are In the Sun Cream and Radiant Star. I like this stuff, and I actually tried it, so I can rate it. I give this a good like 9. It goes so good with my skin tone. And the colors, well, let me just show y'all. I'm gonna do a little a little swatch thing for you guys. We're gonna be doing the first one. We're gonna be doing that one first. Okay, let's see. It's pretty. I like it a lot. My hand's a little dry right now, but on my face this looks so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see. There's that. There's that one. Now we're gonna try the other one on this side. Let's see. Ooh, I don't even think I tried this one. Hold up, y'all. Yeah, that's bomb. Bomb diggity. Bomb diggity. So I'm still learning about this makeup stuff. And I think this one is more so for like if you have a redder undertone. And this one is more if you have like a yellowish undertone, if that makes any type of sense. But yeah. So that's that one. I spent way too much time on that. Let's see what else we got. I got this CBD and Cbg Hand Cream. I've never heard of this before. Happy Dance. Okay. Let's try it out. It has, oh, it's vegan and cruelty free. I love that. Let's see what this is about. Okay, I'm not really feeling that. I don't like the way that smells. It smells like a cardboard box. Dang. I thought this was gonna be good too. This would be maybe something I would use if I was like hiking or something. I would probably take this with me, but yeah. Based off the smell, I don't like the way certain stuff smells and I keep on smelling my fingers. I don't know why I thought that was so funny, but based off of the smell, I don't really like it, but I do like that it's vegan and cruelty free. I would give this like maybe a 4 out of 10 based off of that. I didn't rate this first one. Oh, I think I did. I think I gave it an 8 out of 10. But yeah, 8 out of 10 for that. We won't get into something else. Let's see what else I got. Okay, Josie Marin. I've never used this before. It is a hyaluronic lip booster in the color Dreamy. So this is what it looks like, y'all. This is a really pretty color. I don't know if it's gonna go with me though. Let's see. I have on like some red lip gloss right now, but this might work. Let's see. Oh, this is actually kind of nice. I like this. This looks so pretty. Who is this person again? Josie Marin. Okay, I've never used a color like this before, but this is bomb in the color Dreamy. I've never used a color this like not super pigmented, but it's very, I guess, a lighter color. I like that. I'm gonna give that a 10. I'm gonna use that tomorrow. Let's see what else I got. This is Realer I Am Glowing eyeshadow stick. A shadow stick. Rose Shimmery. So what does this do? Okay. I've never used anything like this before. I said Realer, it's Real Her. Okay, so I'm guessing, let's see what it says. Swipe across lids and blend with fingertips or a brush. Apply more to the lash line to create a smoky liner effect. Okay, so let's try it out, y'all. Let's see. It says to brush. Hey, this goes kind of like with my with the blush and the lipstick. All right, let's see. Okay, I could dig it. I should have got my mirror. I can dig it. I'd use it. It's a pretty color. I'd give it like an 8. I give this a solid 8 out of 10. It's very convenient to have it in like a pin-like, what do you call this? Like a pin-like container. It's not even the word for this. Anyways, to have it be shaped as a pin so I can rub it on my eye. This is very convenient. I would definitely use this again and probably get some more in different colors. Let's see what else I got up in here. If you guys didn't know, I don't know if I mentioned, but this is my first BoxyCharm that I got. So trying these out and like seeing different makeups, this is like kind of cool to me because I don't ever buy this type of stuff. I just buy like foundation and then like stuff for like my face, more like cleanser wise stuff or like skincare stuff. Yeah, anyways, so this is the other thing I got. It is it's Beauty Stats Universal C Skin Refiner. Brightens, retexturizes, and firms. Okay. So it's supposed to improve skin smoothness, radiance. It's good for all skin types. See, this is what I have to be careful with because sometimes stuff that says it's good for all skin types, it don't be good for sensitive skin. Me, I got some sensitive skin. I have like some stuff going on here. Like some days my skin will be super clear and then out of nowhere, like I'll just get a breakout. It's so weird and it's annoying too. So I'm like, dang. I be posting pictures like, oh, I'm looking good. My skin is clear. Freckles is coming out, and then out of nowhere, boom. Like, come on now. So it's a skin refiner. It's fragrance free. I like that. How do I need my knife. Where'd my knife go? Here it is. Dang, they really be taping these packages up really well. Come on now. So how do I use this? Hold on, y'all. I gotta read what this says. Oh, smooth over, cleanse dry skin AM and PM. I actually probably might need something like this. Dark spots. Let's see. I want to see if it smells good too. Y'all see what I did? So I literally just said that this was fragrance free, and the first thing I tried to do was smell it. Like sometimes things that are fragrance free, they have like a scent to it. But this literally smells like nothing. Like, yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. I don't really like the way it feels though. I don't know if I would like this on my face. Let me I just try it on my hand. But this is what it looks like, if you guys are wondering. It feels like a scrubber, like a scrub type of thing. You guys can see. Like a face scrub, is what I mean. So I don't really know if I would use that. It's like matting as well, and it feels like super rough. says its best results follow with Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. So I probably would have to moisturize my face before I even use this. Oh no, I would use this first and then use moisturizer on my skin. Retexturizes, brightens. I'll try it out just to try it, but not right now because I'm gonna wake up and my skin be popping off. I don't really know how I feel about this at the moment, but based off of how it's feeling on my hands, I don't like the way it feels. Anyways, I rate this like a 4 out of 10 because I'm gonna probably look more into this product just to see like how it works for skin and like my skin, because it says for all skin types, but I gotta be careful with that. I have one more thing up in there in this box. A little bag. What is it? Oh, razor. So they gave me like a razor kit. Okay. Lux 5-blade razor kit. Let's see how this. Let's see what the razors is looking like. I'm kind of curious to know. Okay, oh, this is kind of cool. It has a little thing where you can like put it in the shower so you don't lose it. Okay, this is pretty neat. I like this. I wonder if the blades work really good. I'm gonna figure that out another day, and I guess I'll let y'all know. But that's all I got. That is it, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning into this video. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the stuff that I got. It's just maybe 2 things I didn't really like, so I don't know if I'll be using those, as far as like this thing and this thing. I really wish I would have got more like a, what do you call it, like face cleanser or face toner type of stuff. But I'm still new to this whole BoxyCharm thing, and I'm gonna figure it out. So yeah, overall I would rate my box that I got this month like a 7-ish, more like a 6. I'd give it like a 6, solid 6, yeah. But anyways, thank y'all for watching this video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. But yeah, y'all, that is it. Your girl is out, and I will see y'all in my next video.